How to view offline documents on Google Docs application. Today's video will show you in a short time how to view offline documents when you are out of your net. This option works on both iPhone and Android. So let's start. Open your Google Docs app and look for the three lines in the top left corner of the screen and click on it. Then on the next page, scroll down to the offline option and click on it. When the page opens, how to recognize the documents you can see when you are in offline mode. So you can notice some of the documents at the very bottom of the arrow in a semicircular state. This means that the documents are also available in offline mode. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, don't forget to check out our other tutorials. See you next time.